Hi, welcome back. I'm Chuck, and today I'm going to make a wine display. This video is part of a series I'm doing on things you can build and sell at craft fairs. Craft fairs are pretty big in the fall, and if you're going to sell your stuff in the fall at the craft fairs, then you need to build up your inventory over the summertime. If you're not into craft fairs, this also makes a great gift, or you can just keep it for yourself. For this project, we're just going to use these scrap pieces of wood, and the first thing I need to do is to go ahead and rip them down to the proper width, and then cut them to length. Let's do it. The next step is to drill the holes where the wine bottle is going to go into and the wine glasses. So we are going to measure these and drill holes for the wine glasses in the top and the wine bottle, the large hole on one side and the smaller hole on the other side. That is going to set just like so, and now we need to drill the holes for the wine glasses and what is going to be the top. These are the holes in the top where the wine glasses are going to sit. They're going to hang from there. Now we need to cut out some grooves to be able to slide them in. We're going to do that at the bandsaw. So these are going to hang in here like this, and now I'm going to go ahead and add a round over to all of these edges. We're going to connect these with wood glue and dowels. I'm going to clamp it together, drill the holes for the dowels, then I will put the wood glue on, and then after that we'll stick the dowels in, glue them in, clamp it together. We have it clamped up, and I'm checking for square here. It looks pretty good. And next step is to drill the holes for the dowels and glue it up. We have the dowels in, and now we are going to let the glue dry and clamp it up. After that, we will sand it down and put the finish on, and we'll be done. I went ahead and did a black stain. I'm not happy at all with the outcome, so I think I'm going to go ahead and paint it. I'm not sure what color, so we'll see. After the horrific stain that I put on the wine display, I ended up painting it. I didn't like how that turned out as well. And then I went to find out that it was actually too big. So I scrapped that and made a second version, which I think turned out really well. I didn't end up staining it because I like the look of the contrasting oak dowels on the side, and I kind of like the natural look. I did put some paste wax on it for like a little bit of a finish, and it really brings out the end grain and the color in the wood. If you like this project, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it. Also, I have some other videos for you to check out, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Proper width. Now we need to cut them. Now we have the boards cut down to the proper width. These are the holes in the top where the line